Welcome to the Reducing Noise from HL7 Messages comparison tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to filter out expected differences to focus on what's really important. When comparing HL7, often there are expected differences. For instance, it's normal having different message date times, and we shouldn't bother too much about it. Let's exclude those from the comparison to focus on real issues. See, in this example, there are differences flagged for MSH7, which are message date times, and MSH10, the message ID. Those values will change each time I run my tests, so with a simple right-click action, I exclude them from the comparison. The same way, you could decide to exclude an entire segment. Notice the inverse is also possible. You may want to focus on the PID segment for now and ignore everything else. To do so, move your mouse on the segment identifier and right-click to see the options. At any time, click the filter icon to change those settings. Here we go. Now I can configure a comparison tool to focus on the differences that can lead to issues. This ends the Reduce Noise from Message Comparison tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We love questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.